Hi people, guten Tag, good afternoon in my idiom. Buenas tardes. In this moment, I congratulate all the organizers, the event, the synopsis, because the teams, human vaccines and immunology innovation, the 23 and 24 June, the actual years is very interesting and important because with doctor in medicine, the Colombia, I speak the themes of the situation in health than a solution and problem the different situation in health in the world. Then I consider the the events is very interesting and important for the health um, the health in people, the solution problems different in nuestra country. Thanks.